Is that for Dad? Is that coffee for Dad? Is that coffee? Oh, thank you. Thank you for the coffee. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Ikea. Got to pick up some cribs for the twins, some mattresses, and a couple dressers. Yeah, we brought Claire. Right, Claire? We getting your brother's stuff? And maybe you? Okay, let's go. We got the twin stuff from Ikea. Time to assemble it. What do you think, Claire? Is it a good trip? She says, yeah, I want to hear Baby Shark, Dad, please. So we ended up getting a couple dressers for us, and we're going to give the boys our dressers. So parents get a bit of an upgrade. We know that they're going to tear apart their new dressers anyway and destroy them, so they might as well have our gently used ones. So Mom and Dad getting the upgrade with the dressers here. We've got 2 cribs here, 1 for each boy. We also have a desk. Natalie wants, Natalie has to move her office down to the basement, to my man cave. We got a corner desk, which I'm going to set up a little bit later on today. We're going to move her down to the billiards room. Then we're going to move Claire into her office so Claire can have a girly room, because when Claire was born we never found out what she was. Her room is a yellow kind of neutral. We're going to give her a little bit more of the things that she likes in her room, and then her current room is going to turn into the nursery, and that's where these 2 cribs are going to go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.